What is up, YouTube, man? Welcome back with finish. Kadari, man. And today's video, working out. You know what I'm saying? We got Laura back today, and that's all. We got Laura back, and you know what I'm saying. I got my pre-workout with me. I already took all my vitamins and all that. So you know, my bag. What else am I missing? Am I missing anything? No. Nope. You know what I'm saying? Today for once, you know what I'm saying? Today, you know what I'm saying? We going to the gym, you feel me? You gotta go back, you know what I'm saying? I know before I saw y'all, I know, right? Like, I got old, you know what I'm saying? But I'm still small though. Cause that old anybody squeeze like smelling like me though. Cause like I don't know what I'm wearing no more, right? But you know what I'm saying? Got to, you feel me? Got to. I usually wear this right here, if I can see it, you know what I'm saying? I usually wear that, you know what I'm saying? Or this right here. But you know what I'm saying? We got, you know what I'm saying, Georgia vibes today, you feel me? But yeah, today it's a Saturday because what's called like Friday, the guys want to hang out and like most like everything is like it's Utica, so everything is like closed on the weekends for real. Like everything closed early on the weekend. So I just so I got to put my notes in my workout in. No, like no matter what, if you can't go that day, you gotta go the other day. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna see y'all at the gym. Late day, so you know you gotta swap. I think this is easy. This is hard. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Oh my god. I usually don't stress, but you know, it's late day, so you just gotta do it. You just gotta do it. You gotta do what you gotta do. Bro, it's like my left leg gang. I don't know. It's like I can barely do this. I got football practice. Oh Lord. This like the only exercise like I like doing. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't exercise at all, man. I just go straight to it. But doing deadlift, you know what I mean? Like you gotta exercise. If y'all wonder where I'm at, like what gym I use, I go to fitness fitness meal. Way better than Planet Fitness, I'll tell you that much. It won't be I don't say it will be packed. They got it got a good amount of people and they got like a lot of equipment, you know. Like any equipment yes yeah, like Planet Fitness don't got like a whole lot of equipment, so that's what I'm saying. They got like good equipment. Hey man, pause, I pause. Don't be saying nothing crazy. I know y'all can't see me, but you know, let me read. Let me be a W man. Let me be W vlogger, and let y'all see everything I'm doing. I should stress more often. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I be having cramp. I'm only saying that because my last leg workout was what's it called, like cramping me, like I can barely finish the workout. Or like I said, so that's what I'm saying right now. And I'm talking low, but I'm talking very low because I don't wanna, you know what I mean. But I hope this mic is like good enough to point like I can hear me if I talk low now. It's $50, you know. But alright, yeah, I'm done. First knowledge started doing deadlift. Oh yeah, I went back to the vlog. I am doing lower body, not lower back. I meant to say lower body. But let's get this workout started. The first 45 was what amazing. I ain't gonna lie to you. My highest, well, my my max was last time I did deadlift. My last was like um 375, I think. No, I think it was 400. I don't know. I'm not out there, but that was like a long time ago. That was smooth. That was smooth. I think it's like the worst machine ever. I think this Come on. Yeah. Think about going up. I'm saying this way. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, Sherry kit, but I added 5 into it. Come on, water. Come on, that's it. Yeah, I just got done with the workout. Um, it was a good lower body workout, but just to call it, couldn't get a ride back home, so I'm walking. I was like 10, 15 minute walk. Ain't bad, but I hate. I forgot to get my hoodie. I usually like grab this um purple Laker hoodie after workout. I just put that after, like no shirt, but I forgot it. But so it was a good workout. Hope y'all liked the video. Um, Tomorrow's my rest day. Then back again tomorrow. Tomorrow. What is it tomorrow? Pro day. Plus pro. Yep, pro day. So hopefully. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna cap like. I ain't gonna cap like. Um, to like if you go back to my other vlog, right? When I told y'all that I ain't get to record because I was looking shy. Uh, it took me like a good 3 more days. Like the gym, like if y'all see like the background, like after this, like what I'm saying, like y'all see the gym's like not packed for real because it's a Sunday, It's a Sunday, so that's why it's not really packed. But it's not like the gym not always packed. The gym like Monday off, it's gonna be like a lot of people, but it'll be like more people. So like I can't put my phone anywhere, so it'll be in people's way, and I don't like when people like think you can't like go past my phone. You know what I'm saying? Like they just sit there like you sitting there, bro. Like you good, bro? Just go past. You know what I'm saying? Like what I'm gonna do if like you think I'm gonna get mad? Like what? Nah, bro. I'm gonna look at you, but you know what I'm saying? But like, hope y'all like the vlog though. Um, Let me know if I did anything wrong of my thing, because there's always room to improve. There's always room to improve. So yeah, hope y'all like this vlog and tell a friend, because I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? But bye.